Jana sikusikii manze.
Au ni
sikusikii. Nataka kusikia.
Lakini unasikika. Hebu mwisho. Leo we have
Just it.
Hai, niaje. What is this? Mimi nataka hii.
Hii ni punch tu. Only umebuy tea bag moja 20 bob, imagine just for 25.
Like I've had this shit today earlier on.
It's good, right? It's worth it, right? And that's even cheap.
Jaba plus Mukombero.
Tea bag moja unaweza itumia hadi
Orange is better. But I saw Brian doing it this
Sasa hizo ndio maswali mniulize, alafu edit please. Sina vitu za kusema. Sina vitu za kusema.
Lazima utuambie wewe. Quick question niko nayo. Karibuni Ram Caravan.
Have we started? Oh, yeah, I like it.
We are always
Organic,
going. We are always going, yes. Karibuni Ram Caravan, and today kuna jaba chai na mandazi wa hapa na jaba tea hapa.
Jaba tea, my friend.
Wewe chai kwanza wewe.
Orange still.
So today has been interesting. We tried your teas.
How was it?
Your teas are very.
It was really nice.
They're very nice.
Yeah.
It's a very nice. It's a nice way of enjoy jaba.
It is, right?
Yeah, I thought there was only
Na
jaba.
wewe tuambie na cocktail.
Because why you when you can do?
Like I said,
Wengine wanasema stories za jaba.
Kuna hadi stories za jaba you can enjoy.
you can have jaba for breakfast.
Yeah, jaba. Aufai tu kutafuna peke yake.
Jaba ni alternative ya coffee.
So first of all, me first thing yenye meni attract sana is the fact that you guys like your branding. It's like
Other branding.
hey,
Yeah.
any corner of it looks amazing,
Thank
bwana.
you.
Somebody put
It's well
some work
thought,
into
it's
it.
well executed. I
Yeah.
love it. And
Check
the
it.
flavor pia.
Mukombero.
We did a cocktail. We did a
Yeah.
Kombero cocktail.
Yeah, you did your cocktail. I
How did you
actually
like it?
really loved it. It was really good. I wish
Hiyo cocktail hiyo
you do some more cocktail. Ungetengeneza zingine kwanza, hiyo hibiscus pia ni poa sana. Especially for the girlies.
for the girls.
Who are afraid of the Mukombero.
Hii ya kupelekea your mama's on Valentine's.
Hiyo ndio Valentine
Valentine.
gift.
Oh, because of the
Kwanza,
color.
International Women's Day is coming up.
Yes.
So please guys,
Jaba.
Jaba tea.
Jaba
Let's buy three.
tea.
It's energetic.
Jaba tea.
Flavorful.
Celebrated with some
Get the
Jaba
job done.
tea, please.
For
Yeah.
those special guys who like, this one is interesting. This one is
So
very
that
interesting.
one, it's actually a folktale.
Yeah, you have a lot of
It's a
questions.
folktale from the Ameru culture, because that's where we get the Mukombero. Yeah? Oh, not the Mukombero, sorry, the Jaba. Ni juu Mukombero imekunyiwa sana.
Yeah, like, you know, the favorite.
Mukombero ndio a fan favorite for sure.
Another ranking.
1, 2, no, 1, something like 1.
Yeah.
So-
It's actually very good even for your digestive
For the digestive.
system, for your health overall. And then why focus? Focus is priceless, and that's why we came up with this tea, because si kila mtu anataka kutafuna, taxini imejaa one side. Yeah. So especially for the baddies, any product yenu please.
So
Nyinyi ni kama
somebody.
mnajaribu kutoa kahawa kwa bucket.
So those people will chill.
Actually, Jaba coffee is up next.
So
Jaba
those
coffee.
people will chill. They can't just chew the tea bag.
I mean, if you want, I can't stop you from how you use the product.
So
Imagine.
we want to do.
Because
You guys want me to
extremists.
make for you a cocktail.
Me, I want
Yes.
Mukombero
So
Jaba.
Yes. May I want another flavor, because I've
want another
already
flavor?
had Mukombero cocktail.
I can never have enough.
You can never have enough.
Of Mukombero. Okay, sawa. Tengeneza hiyo maestro. Tengeneza my favorite.
Everything with O
Yeah.
goes.
Where's the kettle?
You are
Yeah.
outside.
No, orange.
Alright.
For OJ. You see, anything that goes with O.
Orange kana mandazi.
But for sure, definitely the fan favorite is the Mukombero flavor.
Me too.
But I also, all the flavors are really nice. It just depends on what you want. Yeah. Inaitwaje your selection. Inaitwaje your preference. Kweli, your preference.
Your palette.
Yeah, inategemea na palette yako. So that's why we have the different.
Like me,
But
my
for
palette
sure,
is better than yours.
Yeah.
So me, I'm telling you. This guy already.
I was asking, how long has your Jabba tea been out?
It's actually a very new startup. Sisi ni wachanga sana kwa market. Tumeanzia 2025 mwaka mpya.
Like, yo, guys, Jabba tea.
Yeah?
Tumeanza 2025.
Jabba tea cocktail.
And I really recommend having it.
Now we have
Bana.
I also recommend adding some honey. Adding some honey to it. It really makes the flavor really pop, and you can also add some lime if you want. Sugar if you don't have the honey. But I really 100% recommend having any flavor you want with honey. In a slap mbaya sana. Uliza chai na mandazi.
As we know.
Of course.
Hii ya Mukombero.
Hiyo ya Mukombero, sawa. Truly a fan favorite.
Talk to the lady.
Truly a fan favorite.
You can get the whole box.
At only
Yeah,
500.
you can get the whole box at only 500.
Maybe I'm being given pressure to ask for you.
Oh.
Ask what you want, King. Ulizia kenye unataka.
Let me say. What?
Usishtuliwe.
What? At you.
Ulizia kenye unataka, King. Ask.
So when we're waiting for the water to do its thing. Yeah, we're waiting for the water to do its thing.
So what are you taking us through? What's the name?
So what we're going to do right now, I want to brew this.
You wanna
Hey, Mukombero.
Yes, I want to brew it kidogo
So everyone
so
is
that
having
we get.
Mukombero.
Yes,
Everyone's
so we all
having
Mukombero right
Mukombero.
now. Volunteer, of course, you're a volunteer.
Aye.
So I'll make
So this is
4.
an impromptu.
Yeah.
No.
Yep. We are in
Now
for
this
a treat,
is called
guys.
a biased cocktail. That is how it's called.
Make it yourself.
Make it. You can also say make it yourself then. But then I have a series
yourself
going on.
Jabba
I have a
tea.
series going on.
Eyo.
So that's right. Yeah. Msa amefinish
So
akamaliza.
lazima maji kwa moto.
Maestro
Kwani-
kwenye
Ama
leo.
you can drink it
Lazima
with
ni
cold
chai jamani.
no.
Ni chai.
Ni chai.
Ni chai.
I'll just ask.
Look at this fella.
But then, first of all, let's explain yourself. Today you are dressed dapper. What's happening? man?
Engineer.
This is my I don't know what to call it, but this
Hey, hadi time manze, amefunga hadi time Friday afternoon.
Umekaa fresh. Uko fresh.
Ako
Usiambiwe.
No, he came to take tea.
of course.
He only came to take tea.
Yeah, when we take tea, we'll do it proper.
Magician.
So for our cocktail,
Hey.
our cocktail we're going to choose tequila.
Woo.
Yes, because a good Friday night we've had a very good night. Sindo?
Tequila. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, floor.
So we're having Mukombero plus tequila.
That's disaster stuff.
No, it's not disastrous. What do you mean?
Me, I love it. I love it. Some aperitivo.
May I
This is
know
a sweet
the-
aperitivo.
I know the name of this cocktail. It's called a bias cocktail.
A bias cocktail?
Yeah, why not orange?
Why not
Why
orange?
not orange?
Oh, because why have
Why not hibiscus?
What do you mean?
Biased cocktail, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah,
called the
wachani na
bias
maestro
cocktail.
acheze. Let
Here's
the maestro brew.
weird.
Let the maestro
Who
cook.
told you? My palate wants orange.
And then for
Mukombero.
some nice sweetness, peach. Because why not?
Peach is
Because why not?
The peach syrup.
what is peach? I know.
That's a syrup. Yes. And then a nice good spicy
In Swahili.
ginger.
I don't
No,
know
this is
that.
ojit by there. It's almond syrup.
Yeah, man. You've tried almond.
Just to add some
I'm about to, you know.
nutty flavor.
I'm about to.
Almond syrup. Just to add some nutty flavor in
That's
it.
our manager who just popped in.
See, you're going with the theme. I'm
Natty dread.
I'm very happy. Yo, maybe I was supposed to be shaking things every time.
Yeah,
every time
but-
when I just shake young.
Wait, the shaker is here.
No, but I like how you do it.
Maestro, let the
No, so you
maestro
shake
cook,
Mkomberos, it's
please.
your drink.
Yeah, I have to shake.
Kombero.
Yeah.
Hey, look at him excited. I have to shake it.
Of course, you know.
Shake it.
Yeah, but I like.
Yeah, you like the packaging? So very soon we are going to actually have a call out. That way you can have your own story on the package. Hapo kwa story ya Jaba ni story zako tunatafuta, ni story zenu tunatafuta. Hapo kwa story za Jaba ni
just
story
do it.
zenu. Kama kona story ya Jaba,
I have to turn it.
kweli. Kama kuna story ya Jaba you'd like to see
By
it
the
on
way,
the
if you want to
package.
apply,
Kombero
you
is
can
not
come and
shaking.
apply as my official shaker.
Yeah, if you guys need a shaker.
If you want to work out, could you shake?
I offer-
I won't pay you. Might give you a cocktail, might.
offer the services of-
Experience, exposure.
Is it ready?
Done enough
Is it
money.
ready, sir?
I'll pay you.
Is it ready?
I'll pay you through experience. You've shaked it. You've shaked it well, eh? Let me confirm.
You can always, and there's nothing wrong with shaking.
Shake well.
Aye, man, you have to shake well.
I like my martini shake.
After you,
Not third. You know,
Yeah.
remember that thing?
Yeah. Shake it.
Not third.
That is for body.
Kombero.
Na Mkombero, you guys, where do you get it from?
Our tea is hot and
This
ready.
is from Meru. Jama. Some Mkombero is from where?
Mukombero, really.
Oh my day.
Not
Just
Meru.
have it.
It
I
just
don't know
comes.
where Mukombero is from actually. I don't know.
It actually makes you focus, you know.
I don't know, but we all know what it's famous for. I guess that's why it's a fan favorite.
On what?
So, question: is it your most sold one?
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
You sold one
Yeah.
today, anyway. So.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just the name.
Yeah.
Mkombero.
So
Just the name.
Yeah.
Somebody would buy that because you know what?
Yeah.
They were like, I'm used to oranges.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone, even ladies really like it. Even I also really like it. It's, I mean,
Yeah.
I also really like it. It's really, really nice, guys. I mean, there's a cocktail already.
We
We already have a Mkombero
That
Jaba
speaks for
tea.
itself, Ama.
Coming hot. Coming in hot.
Where do you have shakes at night? Can you explain it? It talks
Very
about
nice,
it.
very nice, very nice.
Alright, let them
So we
find
just
out.
chill,
We
let
chill, we
it
let it cool a
kidogo.
little bit.
That shit is hot as fuck. Just look.
Sawa.
Oh, we're waiting for the hot water.
No, it's we're
No,
waiting
the
for it
hot
to cool,
water
for it
is
to
there,
infuse.
tayari.
Just
Infusion.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Imagine.
Now you
It's a
see.
long time.
Kembero. Now the
Shake
roots.
it some
The roots are
more.
still cooking.
Forward and then the 5 minutes.
Quick. To settle.
Yes.
You do
Let it
have to
steep.
let it
The
sit.
stories are Jaba.
The Jaba.
The stories are Chai za Jaba.
Nasema Jaba ilikuwa miracle plant. Yo.
Mbuzi actually the
Ati what?
goats.
Stories are Jaba.
Actually, mbuzi ndio zilikula. Goats ate it first. And the people are like, hey, these goats all of a sudden are
Why?
so alert.
Why God?
Rada,
Why not a sheep?
Seges Malishoni.
Over here.
I don't know why
Hippo.
goats
Then they
though.
consulted their spiritual leader.
That's some BS.
Spiritual leader. Their goats were like whining and shit.
Soon it will drain.
And then they were like, oh, leader. Has
Because it's a spiritual one.
Oh my
Where's my tea?
days.
Ah, there's my tea. Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, yeah. They used to call shit.
Atumbiti.
Let the maestro cook.
Let's cook.
Let's cook.
Lay me in a bed of...
You can also try with your tea bags at home. You know? Ndio ukipata hii ukue proper. Just try with your tea bags. You can add vodka in your tea.
Yeah.
So you can try with your tea bags.
Yeah.
But how can people get it? Do you do online services?
Yeah. Actually, you can follow us on Instagram at jabba.tea.
We'll do a collab.
Sorry?
We'll do a collab.
Yeah.
And your shop.
Yeah,
So
jabba.tea.
Nairobi.
You can also send in stories zenu
Oh
za
my
Jabba.
Yeah,
To DM wa stories za Jabba. Tunapenda.
Like this thing is being chilled like that when we were young,
Indian
grandma
finger.
used to do that.
Much for a friend. Is there like a for 20 kind of this?
Oh my days.
Oh my days. I heard that in a radio
Even I
once.
want to
Ni
listen to
swari.
that. Amandazi Jabba.
We want to
We
know.
want to know if there's Amandazi
You send it
Jabba.
above.
Pole, when the host.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Food for thought.
Achachi cheers. Mandazi ya Jabba.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Watu wa
Oh my
Mkombero,
days.
Machina Mandazi, karibuni sana.
This is a
Karibuni
biased
Ram Caravan.
cocktail.
Cheers, guys.
Mimi ndaweza
No.
cheers.
Wewe
Mimi.
ukujitengenezea jamani, maestro.
I don't drink when I'm working.
And you also the
Pardon?
host,
Or the host?
Excuse?
That's what you're supposed to drink it without a straw, so that you smell that Mkombero.
Cheers, guys.
Two.
Chai and mandazi, chai and jabba,
Chai and Jabba tea. Cheers.
Mkombero situation.
Flavor, I'm waiting for your expressions.
Wow.
Hata nyinyi chukua za wenyewe.
Kweli.
Wanna taste?
Yeah.
How can I explain it?
The Mkombero.
What happened to the tequila though?
Oh, I feel the tequila.
The tequila is there, but the Mkombero is also there. Very present.
Double.
I have
Hello.
to take another sip.
So karibuni sana, karibuni Ram
Asante,
Caravan.
maestro.
Where we are always exploring flavor.
Yeah.
Kani mbaya ni mbaya, kama ni tamu ni tamu.
You can't tell.
For the
You
adventurous.
can't literally tell
Ni tamu,
about
maestro. Ni
what do
tamu.
you call
Ni
it?
tamu.
the Jabba.
I love it.
Love the almond syrup, man.
Yeah,
So
you can
Joe.
feel the almond.
This one you can feel the green.
Tequila.
Okay.
Also
I
can feel the
understand.
greenness.
Mkombero
Jabba
night
itself.
just on your nose.
The plant.
Ram Caravan.
So
my
yes,
people.
Ram Caravan.
Tunauza vitu legit, please.
Tunataka tuseme on our menu we have tea time.
Day, guys.
Tea time.
Yes.
tea
So from next week you come, you find this under tea time.
Hiyo inakubalika.
Tafuta jina. You can give me names to call it. But
Yeah.
there'll be a mocktail and a cocktail version of it.
Wow.
So
Oh my days.
karibuni.
Yeah, welcome
Shukran.
people. Chai and mandazi.
Jabba tea.
Jabba tea.
Why this one biased?
Sarap.
Cheers.
Mefunga ma?
Tumeenda huko. These guys are branding now.
So you take one from there. Yeah. And the same place.
Not Jabba juice, Jabba itself.
Tuko tunashoot naye sisi venye tupevi. Haya.
Swali.
Nasemaje, hauna mandazi?
You feel?
Wewe ana mandazi? Unasemaje?
A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. Because you are ni kama chai. You see chai, when you brew your tea, you actually get the whole everything out. So if you brew this vizuri,
Jabba tea pase.
the flavor is nice.
Ati
I'll
kombolo.
try and make you a cocktail with this one.
Hili na bamba.
with this one.
Walai.
Compare.
I think orange. I think orange is the bamba.
So I'll try and make at least 4 cocktails for you guys.